Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making air fryer pork loin and roast. To begin, in a food processor, add in 1 small onion, a quarter of a red bell pepper, and a quarter of a green bell pepper. You guys know what I mean by quarter, right? Half of the half. 10 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin, about 1 teaspoon of black pepper or to taste, half a cup of fresh parsley, a couple of sprigs of fresh rosemary, a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and half of a lemon juice. Now process until it looks like this. For this recipe, we are using a 3.5 pounds pork loin and roast. With a knife, poke holes all throughout the pork loin. Now pour the sofrito over the pork. With your hands, rub the marinade all around it, and with your fingers, stuff each hole with the marinade or sofrito. By doing so, we are seasoning the pork from the inside out. Yum yum! Keep in the fridge and marinate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Now set the temperature in your air fryer to 250 degrees. Set the timer to 2 hours and 5 minutes. 5 minutes are of preheating time. The total cooking time is 2 hours, 1 hour per side. After your air fryer has been preheated, place into the air fryer basket, bone side up. Pour the remaining marinade over the top, that's where all the flavor is. Air fryer at 250 degrees for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove from the air fryer and flip it over. Continue cooking for another hour or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees. And after 2 hours, let the meat rest at room temperature for at least 20 minutes before digging in. There you guys have it, air fryer pork loin and roast. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.